Hey everyone, I have recently come across a laptop for sale in Facebook Marketplace for just $50. The specs seemed decent for general purpose computing, and I saw scope to improve it. I wanted to upgrade the processor from the dual core Athlon 2 E320 to a quad core processor. I went to cpuupgrade.com to look for a compatible upgrade and I found that Phenom 2 T920 is a good option as it's both quad-core and has the same power rating. I then went to eBay and ordered a used P920 for just $20. I did a bench test with the current processor and the results are on the screen. Let's look at the upgrade process now. Some sections of the video have been sped up to not make the video too long and boring. The first step is to remove the battery and then all the screws from the back side of the laptop. You can directly access the hard disk drive and RAM modules by opening these screws, and here you can see that I have already upgraded to an SSD and 8 gigs of RAM. Then you need to remove the keyboard by using an old credit card or a plastic tool as shown here. Remove the speaker connectors, the power button connector and the trackpad connector. Then remove all the screws from the top side. Pass the plastic card through the panel gaps at the side of the laptop to separate the top case from the bottom. Now you have access to the motherboard. To reach the bottom side of the motherboard, remove the one screw and the Wi-Fi board from the back side. Now, gently lift the board over to access the CPU cooler section. If you find this video interesting, a subscription to the channel would be amazing. I had trouble removing the LCD connector, hence I had to place some cushion on the screen and flip the motherboard over. Now remove the screws holding the cooler to the motherboard and disconnect the fan. Gently lift the cooler off the board and we finally reach the section where the processor can be changed. To loosen the processor, rotate the lever to the other side and lift the processor. Place the new processor in the socket and lock it in place by rotating the lever back to its original position. Now, we just have to assemble everything in the reverse order that we followed till now. But before that, I had to make sure that the laptop was able to post after the CPU upgrade. So, I connected the top panel and the keyboard and tried to power up using the charger. I went into the BIOS menu and could see that the new processor was displayed on the screen. Then we assemble everything back and do one final check to make sure we are able to boot into Windows. I did another bench test using CPU-Z and here are the results. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you again with another exciting video.